Hello y'all, it's Ray here from Parkside Kia. Today here we have the 2020 Kia Cadenza. We're going to be showing you a couple of things that we really like about this thing. Obviously up front you're going to have the standout grille paired up with the 4-bulb LED headlights and our 2-bulb LED fog lights. We're going to be showing you a couple of things, so stay tuned, alright? Inside, you're gonna see this is gonna be black trim with the saddle brown seats. Honestly, one of my favorite combinations. This is fully loaded with everything. You're gonna have cameras in your turn signals, 12.5-inch display up here, dual climate AC, piano black all the way around, heated and cooled, heated steering wheel, wireless charger, and you get the, in my case, barn door glove box here. So plenty of space for everything. There's going to be a couple other features that we really like about this, including this huge panoramic sunroof. And there's one more thing I want to show you guys out back, so I'll see you here shortly, alright? Hey y'all, it's me again, right here. I still have the 2020 Cadenza out here. I want to show you guys a couple things. Obviously this is a top of the line luxury vehicle, but it's fitted with a couple cool things as the barn door glove box inside, and back here, as you can see, a nice flush tail end with a logo pushing door opener. And back here you're gonna have your nice umbrella holder, it being a fully luxury vehicle. This is available. This is a 2020, so we are making great deals on this thing. So come down here to Parkside and we'll take care of you guys, all right? So I'll see y'all soon.